Well, guys, today have a pretty cool unboxing. What's up? This is Danny back with another video, and this is the Casio G-Shock. This is a limited edition of a Casio G-Shock in collaboration with Star Wars and the Mandalorian and Grogu. The movie that just came out back in May, I think like May 22nd or something like that. This is a collab watch, one of two. They have this watch, and then they have another G-Shock as well, which I'll show on screen. I chose this one. I actually was going to KC Watch is where I got it from. I was going to KC Watch to get a strap for one of my other watches, and this was in the case. And all I did was say, let me look at that real quick. And then I walked out with it. So paid $199 for it plus tax. So you'll probably find it for around that price. That being said, let's get it open. Now, I say limited edition with quotes because this is actually just a regular G-Shock and a Mandalorian Star Wars box. I mean, it's got a Mandalorian product number, model number, but it's just your standard steel G-Shock, and I'll show you here in a second. It's a really cool G-Shock, don't get me wrong, but there's no moniker or any sort of marking of Star Wars or Mandalorian on it. Just only on the packaging, and it does come with a small little extra thing as well that the normal version does not come with. So let's get it out of this tight packaging. I don't want to mess up the box just because, again, limited edition packaging really more than anything. So pretty cool. G-Shock. It says we've got the very thick booklet in several languages. Don't swallow the battery. And again, I bought it from KC Watch. So as usual, any watch you get from KC Watch that has a battery comes with a free battery replacement for life, or as long as you own the watch at least. So pretty cool. Bought it 7/22/2026. That is today's date. G-Shock, color Mandalorian, so it just says Mando. But yeah, KC Watch and their information right there. Check them out if you're in Kansas City. A very nice watch store. They have fair prices and all that. But yeah, this sort of like leather magnetic watch stand you get with it that you normally don't get with just the regular version of the same watch. So pretty cool. You can use this to display your Mandalorian watch. So pretty nice. Pretty cool. And you get one with the Grogu watch as well. That's green and white. So yeah, pretty cool. Other than that, it's just a regular G-Shock. So I don't think there's anything else in the box. There's not. I'll set the box back there. Let's take a look at the actual watch. Comes in a G-Shock tin. Got your standard Casio G-Shock warranty card. There's the lid. Here is the actual watch. Very, very nice. Very beautiful. And you know me, I love steel watches and love steel G-Shocks. This is my second one. So very cool. Casio Oak, obviously. It's got the AP Royal Oak style size, not really size, but shape case. And yeah, it's a metal G-Shock. Second one in my collection. So very cool. And a digi steel with a negative display, small display, so kind of hard to see, but I don't care. I'm going to be looking at the analog more than anything. So let me see if the time is correct. It is 3:42, and we've got it set to, yeah, 3:42. So the time's already set. I think they set it for me at the store. So very cool. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the wrist. It's got a very nice band on it. And there it is on my 7-inch wrist. Very nice. The band is so comfortable. Very high quality. That is not resin, or if it is, it's really high quality resin, but it feels amazing. I will not need to do a band swap on this at all, like I normally do for most of my watches. And no, the OEM is just staying on here. It's a very nice band. So very cool, very nice. Has world time, has alarm, all that stuff. Backlight is pretty good. I'm going to show you that here in a second. The hands are the only thing that glows, and then it's got a digital light backlight, which is right there. So I'll show you what that looks like here in a second. All right, let's turn off the light box. Now that the hands are charged up, as you can see, pretty good, not bad at all. And then squeezing the top right button, there you go, lights up the display and the rest of the watch. So I'm going to change the duration in settings later. This is not a solar, so it is battery, and I do not think it's Bluetooth either. So I'll have to double check that, but I'm pretty sure it's not Bluetooth. If it is Bluetooth, I will, I'll address that in the video. So anyway, I will link this below. I'm probably just going to link the regular one below because I don't think, well, you might be able to find this pretty easily. If I can find it easily, I'll link it below. Otherwise, I will link the non-Mandalorian version below. Like I said, it's the exact same as the non-Mandalorian version. It's just the regular doesn't come with a stand or the special packaging. Other than that, the watch is the same. There's no difference. There's no type of marking of Star Wars or Mandalorian on this watch itself. Just on the packaging, and comes with a little collector stand. So thank you all so much for watching. More to come. Stay tuned. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.